Hi, this video is brought to you by Pure Genius Solutions, a digital marketing agency. During my time on Facebook, I've been getting tons of friend requests from people who are already on my friends list. Their Facebook accounts show up repeatedly under the same profile name, but different images. After doing some research, I found that many Facebook users create new pages because they can't access an account and don't know how to reset their password. So in this video tutorial, I'll show you how to reset the password on your Facebook account. For best results, be sure to use a computer or mobile phone that you recently used to log into Facebook, and begin by opening the Facebook app on your device or type facebook.com into the web browser. Now, from the screen beneath your profile image, you'll see the link titled Forgot Account, or it may say Find Your Account Page. It's underneath the username and password area. From this screen, type the email or mobile phone number associated with your account. Then click Search. During your search, you'll be taken to a new screen. Please note, you must have access to the email or phone number associated with the account to verify your identity and to receive your password reset link. From the search screen, Facebook gives you 3 ways to reset your account. You can log in from Google. You can get the code sent to the email address associated with your account, or you can get the code sent via text message on your mobile phone. After you've selected one of the 3 options, use that device and follow the on-screen instructions. This usually involves applying the code to gain access and reset your password. Now you can use the new password to log in and enjoy Facebook. If you still are having trouble logging in due to any reason, I've included a link to Facebook's Help Center below. Now let's recap. Today you learned how to reset your Facebook password. This can be done from your computer or mobile phone device. You must have the email or phone number associated to your account for this to be successful. You'll select from 3 options to reset your password. If you still have trouble resetting your password for any reason, visit Facebook's Help Center for more tips. I have a link provided in the description below. And as always, please like, share, or comment below if you found this video helpful. Thank you.